Hello my dear friends, you're in the voice coding channel. In this video we are going to show how to create and use simple and more complex custom dragon macros in the context of Cobasoft Note, our professional application for structured planning. Let's start with a simple macro. Open Command Browser. This macro contains a single keystroke. It has global availability and command type step by step. Global availability means that it is not application specific, which in turn means that you can use it everywhere, even in remote desktop sessions. Because of this, it's my most common macro type. Step by step means that it's a simple list of steps with fixed control flow, mostly a collection of keystrokes. In our case, it only contains Shift-Control-C, which triggers the clean copy functionality of name Cobasoft Note. Clean copy removes bullets, other special characters and formatting from the copied string. Let me show an example. Note copy. Go down 5. Paste that. As you can see, the originally formatted code is now pasted without bullets and without formatting. Cobasoft Note has a bookmarks feature. You can put bookmarks into documents and then use them as jump targets. We will use this to illustrate macros with custom lists. Now we are going back and jumping to the bookmark. The command browser already contains a macro to make this available as a voice command. The macro name is bookmark followed by a number from 0 to 9. Basically, we could define this functionality as 10 macros, each with its own name, but this would be tedious. Instead, we are using the Dragon Custom Lists feature and quickly show how these are defined. The list contains the digits from 0 to 9. The macro has some differences from the previous one. The name contains a list and the command type is Advanced Scripting, and the content is a small basic program. The name is read-only because it contains a list. You have to click Name Editor to modify the name or the list. We won't show the details here, but you can define and use your own lists. The basic program in this case only contains a single line containing a SendKeys statement with the following arguments. A %sign triggers the Alt key as if you were holding it down. The B character sends a B key combined with the alternate key like pressing Alt B. The S character simply sends an S without modifications. The ampersand is basic syntax for concatenating strings, and the list_var1 function inserts the recognized term into the list. Let's test this now. Note bookmark 1. So this macro seems to be working fine. You'll find a link to the SendKeys reference in the description of this video. In the following, we'll briefly show an even more complicated list macro. The basic principles are the same, but this macro can be used in all applications, even in remote sessions. Open Command Browser. Sorry, I previously pressed the delete key. This macro contains a different list. It contains plain digits and terms from the international spelling alphabet. As you can see, the basic code in this macro is larger. It is using the context value function to get the recognized value from the first and only list. If this value is a single character, it directly sends it with SendKeys as an alt key combination. If it's a full word, the macro uses a switch statement to translate the recognized term into a single character, and then sends this as an alt key combination. This shortcut is useful in Cobasoft Notes too. Alternate 1, go down. Alternate 2, go down. Alternate 3, go up 2. As you can see, it triggers the priority styles. A very similar macro is defined for the control key. I'll show its effects very briefly. Control 1, go down. Control 2, go down. Control 3, go up 2. As you could see, it triggers the predefined paragraph styles. Besides the shown effects in Cobasoft Note, it also can be used in any other application like tab switching in most browsers. That's all for this video. Let me know about your questions or suggestions. Thank you for watching. Put your likes, subscribe to my channel, and have a good day. Bye bye.